covers. And there's one song in particular that we're gonna play for you right now. When it came out around that time, we realized it was one of the greatest songs ever written. So we're gonna bring it back 20 years later and play it for you right now. 2, 3, go. Stacy, can I come over after school? After school, we can hang around by the pool. Hang by the pool. Did your mom get back from her business trip? Business trip. Is she there, or is she trying to give me the slip? Give me the slip. You know I'm not the little boy that I used to be.